I buttoned up a couple things, went to take it for a little test drive, and best way I can describe it is it's always fun to be that car guy driving back home and your car's just ding 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 ding. So, oh well. I'm gonna get the exhaust off this and park it again. Gotta love cars. See that? Broken right off. So bloody awful. Never a dull day here. Piece that broke, which was that flange, right? You can tell how crusty it got, and how it just snapped right off. Figured the best way to kind of get this thing back on the road quick is just to piece back together the old one, the straight pipe exhaust.